Have you ever looked back at an old goal, whether it was saving for a trip, starting a side hustle, or building up your investments, and realized just how much things can change in a year? Maybe you set a plan but life threw you a curveball, or maybe you surprised yourself by sticking with it more than you expected. The truth is, reviewing your investments regularly is what turns a good plan into lasting success. If someone had shown me the power of simple check-ins and smart adjustments from the start, I have grown my wealth faster and with less stress. Before we dig in, pause for a moment and subscribe to this channel. You're joining a worldwide community of learners, dreamers, and investors, people who understand that every journey is unique and every step matters. By subscribing now, you get access to the next season, behind the scenes Q&As. Let's jump into why reviewing your investments matters. Investing isn't set and forget. Things change. Markets, jobs, families, even your own goals. Regular check-ins help you make sure your money's working for you, not just drifting along. Here's a realistic demo example. Imagine Maria in Brazil starts investing $150 month in a mix of global index funds, bonds, and a bit of real estate. 2 years in, she gets a promotion and can now invest $250 month. But the stock market takes a dip, so she's worried about buying more. By reviewing her portfolio yearly, Maria sees she's still diversified, her funds fees are low, and most importantly, her money has grown. Even with the ups and downs, she adjusts her monthly contribution, adds a little to her bond fund for safety, and feels confident for the year ahead. It's a simple routine. You check your investments, see what's working, and tweak what's needed. No need for fancy spreadsheets, just consistency and a little honest reflection. Here's how you can set up your own review. 1. Schedule a review every 6 or 12 months. Put it in your calendar as a financial checkup. Look at each investment. Are they performing as expected? Has anything changed in the market or in your life, like a new job or changes in family expenses? Check your overall mix. Maybe stocks are now too big a part of your portfolio after a big rise, or maybe bonds have become too small. Consider rebalancing, shift a bit from what's grown a lot into areas that now need a boost. Review fees. Are any funds charging more than you realized? Can you switch to lower cost options? Check if your goals have changed. Are you now saving for a home, child's education, or planning to travel? Adjust your investments and contribution amounts as needed. Everyone's review will look different, and that's okay. There's no perfect portfolio, just one that fits you, your time frame, and your dreams. Remember, investing is a lifelong journey. You'll have years of growth and years when progress slows. It's staying committed, being willing to learn, and adapting that sets successful investors apart. Consistency and discipline backed by regular reviews are your superpower. Here's your action step. Finish this episode, check your investments, and note one thing you could improve. Maybe it's increasing your contribution by $20 or $1,000, adding a new type of fund, or switching to a platform with lower fees. Small tweaks make a big difference over time. I'd love for you to share your review results in the comments. Tell us what you've learned, what's changed, or how you're growing. Your story can inspire someone in a totally different part of the world. And as always, make sure you're subscribed for the next chapter, bonus episodes, and a thriving global community that grows wealth, confidence, and knowledge together. Congratulations on reaching the end of this series. Your journey as an investor is just beginning, and every action you take now sets up a brighter, wealthier future for you and those you love. Keep reviewing, keep learning, and keep investing one smart step at a time.